Hi. My name is John Luis, and today we will talk about dividends, what they are, how they work, and how you can make money from them. Please subscribe to my channel. Your support helps us create more videos. So, what is dividend? A dividend is a payment made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually as a distribution of profits. When a corporation earns a profit or surplus, the corporation is able to reinvest the profit in the business and pay a proportion of the profit as a dividend to shareholders. So it does not matter if the price of a stock went up or down, you will still be able to make money. It all depends on the percentage of dividend the company gives you. Here we can see Ford stock. We can see that they pay around 6.5% dividend a year. Here we can see AT&T. They are paying around 5.3% dividend a year based on how much money you invest. Remember, dividends are paid 4 times a year and they might change from time to time. In order to know the percentage of dividend a company pays, you can look at streetinsider.com, or you will be able to see it on your trading platform. So, how can you make money from this? If a company pays 6% dividend and you invest $10,000, you will be making 6% a year, which we divide by 4 and get 1.5% every 3 months. Dividend usually paid every 3 months. Dividends paid directly to your trading account. You can choose to take them as dollar or as reinvestment. Remember, not all companies pay dividends. For example, most of the technology companies or high-tech do not pay dividends. In order to see which companies do not pay dividend, you can visit dividend.com. Okay. So let's get back to the $10,000 example. If the dividend is 8% a year, it means you will get 2% from your investment every quarter. So, you will be making passive $200 every 3 months. And around $800 a year. The math is simple. Let's take Ford stock for example. If price of stock is $10 and the dividend is 6% a year, you basically getting 60 cents for every stock you buy. Remember, you get dividends based on how many stocks you have. The price of stock can go up or down. If the price of the stock goes down, relax and wait for better days. Do not sell it but enjoy the dividends. Wait till the price goes up again to a point where you make some profits or break even. If the price of a stock goes up, you make double money. Epic win. You probably ask yourself, how do I buy dividend and where? First thing, you must open trading account on a broker or brokerage company. Links can be found on the description below. You can use your bank as well but you will have high fees. Robinhood is great place to get started. It is the only platform which does not have any fees. First step is to sign up and verify your email. Later on, add your bank account. Second step is to choose where you want to invest your money based on companies that pay high dividends. The beauty of Robinhood is that this platform is very easy to use, it is self-service. Nobody will call you and annoy you. Another good company is Interactive Brokers. This company has fees but it comes with a broker. You can also try Trail account for free. It will make the platform more familiar to you. Interactive Brokers is a bit more complicated platform, so if it is your first time, better try Robinhood. Both companies are great if you are willing to start making money from dividends, without understanding too much on the market. If you like my content, subscribe now. Do not forget to comment and like. Hope to see you on my next video. I will give 10 tips on how to choose what stock you should buy.